Welcome to the Nebraska Department of Transportation's open house for the 2040 statewide transportation plan. This long-range plan is a roadmap that will help guide NDOT's efforts to prepare for the future of transportation in Nebraska. Your input will help NDOT align its vision with the priorities of Nebraskans across the state. Here is a brief overview of what you will find.
During this open house, you will be asked to review current conditions of Nebraska's transportation system, look at potential future influences, and review the plan's draft goals, objectives, and recommendations. You can provide comments and feedback throughout this open house.
This is a pivotal time in the world of transportation. The way people and goods move across Nebraska will change in the coming decades, and we must be prepared. As a part of this long-range plan, NDOT identified 8 influences that are the most likely to impact the future of transportation. They were identified using research, input from transportation stakeholders, and feedback from Nebraskans.
4 influences are explained in this open house, including connected and autonomous vehicles, electric vehicles, weather extremes, and smart infrastructure. 4 additional influences are discussed in more detail in the long-range plan draft report. From an aging population and increased urbanization to new options for travel and a shift to online knowledge sharing, the plan explores different scenarios to help NDOT prepare for the future.
The 2040 statewide transportation plan will allow NDOT and its partners to be proactive, flexible, and responsive as we look toward the future. As we finalize the plan in early 2021, we look to your feedback to help NDOT meet the transportation needs of Nebraskans across the state. To continue, please scroll down. As always, thank you for your time and input.